So friends, how are you? Good evening. Welcome to the blog. Without wasting time, let's start with this blog. So friends, I am here because to untie my cows, two cows and one cow. So in morning I tied them and 6:30. Sorry, 6:30. Yeah, 6 minimum. I know what's time, but I untied them this time. So friends, I share my uh, opinion for your English learning journey. Friends, first you start the journey, you are nervous and irritated because you don't know new language, words, but in your daily lives you use your mother tongue, those words. You translate them first. Not many, but much use in daily life. 5 words. Example: go, came, sorry, come, head, etc. You learn and speak. That's why you build up your confidence, inner confidence, and you speak English. English is so simple. You know only tense and vocabulary. Don't matter. You knows part of speech. Don't matter. You knows only vowels, uh, tense, vocabulary, and minimum things. You knows. But if four things you knows. So I know. Uh, we don't know speak in English. Don't understand English. So feel bad and our personality is looking like very low. So you don't think them. First you start journey without wasting time. You record your video and upload on YouTube. You don't think subscriber, you think only you are speaking and you recording your video and upload daily, and don't about subscriber, you only about and only about your viewers. The viewers you feel confident and feel better. So you start your journey without any question. Don't think overthink. You think overthink, you distract your mind. So in your mind you talk in English. My English is not very good, but I upload daily video and I check my yesterday I had I check my videos, so I know my English is day by day is growing better. So in my journey you join with me and build your English. So that's for all today's day, all today's. So meet into the blogs. Bye everyone.